Stop wasting your marketing budget on leads that never convert. Today I am revealing the one hidden strategy driving massive growth. This isn't just a tip, it's a secret used by the top 1% to scale businesses overnight. Look at the data. Most people focus solely on traffic, but the real magic happens in the bridge between the click and the conversion. By optimizing this touchpoint, we've seen conversion rates soar to 35%. It's about qualifying leads before they even reach you. Implementation is simple. Target the right pain point, offer immediate value, and automate your follow-up for maximum efficiency. When a customer clicks that sign-up button, they need to feel like they've found the exact solution they've been searching for. This multi-channel approach ensures your brand stays top of mind across mobile and desktop, creating a seamless journey for every single user. I have documented this entire process in a free guide. I want you to have it so you can start seeing results. Click the link in the description to download it. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more growth secrets.